The angle between vectors I cap plus j cap and j cap plus k cap is, here we have to find angle between two vectors. So if vectors are given like this, a vector which is I plus j cap and another vector which is given, consider it as b vector equal to j cap plus k cap. So we have to find angle between a vector and b vector. So with the help of application of dot product, in which we can find angle with the help of formula, that is cos theta equal to a dot b divided by ab, means dot product of vectors divided by their magnitude. So for solving this one, we will first calculate dot product of these two vectors. So vector is I plus j, that is a vector, and another one is j plus k, that is b vector. So we will use dot product for finding angle. So first we will calculate this value, and for calculating this one we can use a conclusion in which coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap can be directly multiplied. So coefficient of I cap in first bracket is 1 while in second it is 0, plus coefficient of j cap in first is 1 and also it is 1 in second bracket, and coefficient of k cap in first bracket is 0 and 1 in second bracket. Therefore on calculating this one we will get value 1. This is the value of a vector dot b vector. Now we will use this in our formula, that is cos theta equal to a dot b divided by ab. A and b are the magnitudes of vector. So we will see what is the magnitude of vectors. Magnitude of a vector, which can be written as a, can be directly find out with the help of conclusion, that is under root of summation of squares of coefficients. So coefficients of a vector is 1, means 1 square, j cap coefficient is also 1 while coefficient of k cap is 0. Therefore magnitude of a vector is root 2. Now for b vector, magnitude can be written as b. Again we will use same conclusion, that is under root of summation of squares of all the coefficient. Here coefficient of I cap is 0 and coefficient of j cap is 1 and coefficient of k cap is also 1. Therefore we will get root 2, that is magnitude of vector b. Now we will use cos theta, that is a dot b divided by ab. So a dot b is coming out 1, a, that is magnitude of a vector, is root 2, and b, that is magnitude of vector b, is again root 2. Therefore cos theta will be 1 by 2, and cos theta 1 by 2 means theta will be 60 degree. Therefore answer of this question is 60 degree. Thank you.